Metropolitan Assembly is proposing the use of alternative waste disposal sites as government races against time to find a solution to the near-capacity Kpone Landfill Site. Head of the Assembly's Waste Management Department, Engineer Bertha SL, says the Kpone Landfill Site currently receives between 600 and 800 tons of waste daily from 7 assemblies, far beyond its designated capacity. There's more in the following report.
The Kpone Landfill Site, according to the Tema Metropolitan Assembly, has reached its capacity with only a month intake left before it brims. The site, originally designed to receive 500 metric tons of waste per day, serves the people of Tema, Ashaman, Kpone and its environs. Head of Tema Metropolitan Assembly Waste Management Department, Engineer Bertha SL, warned of an imminent sanitation crisis and urged assemblies within the enclave to consider alternative locations to dispose of their waste.
TMA, as it stands, we are proposing that, if possible, some MAs could find other sites to go to dump, and it could be left with few, like 3. TMA, possibly Kpone and Ashaman. This is our immediate proposal, whilst we immediately look at an appropriate final disposal for this whole enclave, because critically, this site is serving a huge purpose. Although area constrained, it is the only site available from Ningo to TMA, to Lekma.
She warned that the situation is creating access challenges for waste trucks and increasing the risk of overflows, particularly during heavy rains.
The design airspace of 16 meters has been exhausted. We are now getting to 24 and over. And frequent challenges has been the road to the top being irregular, and sometimes some of the cars having challenges, vehicles having challenges, and also leachate overflows. Because this site, the ground was not designed with the mats and the pipes. The leachate flows its own way, and so sometimes when it rains, when you come into the street, you see overflows.
The head of waste management stressed that although the site remains the only final disposal facility serving the enclave, urgent measures are required to reduce the load and secure a long-term alternative.
The area has become small because the daily inflow is between 600 and 800 tons daily, which is quite huge for our capacity, our size. And with that, pushing and covering becomes challenging. And so the neighboring on the other eastern side, we have mass industries. On the northern side, we have Mohinani, that is Polytank. On the left-hand side, you have seen someone has come to do a fuel station. So all these make us very constrained in working. And in turning around of vehicles at the top, also a challenge for us.